Hi, today I'm breaking down the top 5 best travel credit cards to help you save big on both flights and hotels. Plus, at the end, I'll tell you which one is the best for you. So whether you're booking flights, you're staying in luxury hotels, or you're just trying to squeeze more value from every trip, you need the right credit card in your wallet to travel smarter in 2025. So let's dive right in. Number 1. Chase Sapphire Preferred Credit Card. This one's a classic, and for good reason. It is a go-to card for many travelers due to its strong rewards, flexible points transfers, and general sign-up bonus, all for a modest annual fee. Currently, as a new card member, you can earn 100,000 bonus points after you spend $5,000 on purchases in the first 3 months from account opening. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card gives you up to 5 times total points on travel purchase through Chase Travel. You can earn 3 times points on dining, including eligible delivery services, and you can earn additional 2 times on other travel purchases. What makes it a fan favorite? With this card, you get 25% more value when redeeming points through Chase Portal, or you can transfer points to airline and hotel partners like Hyatt, United, and Emirates. That flexibility is huge. Plus, travel protections like trip cancellation and primary car rental insurance are all included. Also, there's a partnership benefit involved, $200 in additional partnership benefit value. They have earned certain industry awards like Best All-Purpose Travel Rewards Credit Card, Best Travel Rewards Credit Card in 2024, Best Credit Card for International Travel, and Best Entry-Level Travel Card. This card goes for an annual fee of $95 per year. The Chase Sapphire Preferred Card is best for all-around travelers who want solid rewards without paying a premium. Number 2. Marriott Bonvoy Boundless. It is best for hotel lovers. So hotel loyalists, listen up. If you stay at Marriott properties, the Bonvoy Boundless card is a no-brainer. You can earn up to 17 times points at Marriott hotels, plus you get an annual free night that is worth up to 50,000 points. That alone can cover your annual fee. As a new member, you can earn 3 free night awards. You earn this after spending $3,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from account opening. And as a partner, you will enjoy a free night award every year after your account anniversary, valid for a 1-night hotel stay at the property with a redemption level of up to 35,000 points. You also get Silver Elite status and 15 Elite Night credits each year to help you climb the status ladder faster. There are no foreign transaction fees on this card, and currently the card is priced at $95 annual fee. This card is best for frequent hotel travelers who want elite perks and free stays. Number 3. Delta SkyMiles Gold American Express Card. If you are a Delta flyer, even occasionally, the Delta SkyMiles Gold Amex card is worth a look. Delta loyalists love this card for its flight perks and ability to earn miles quickly, especially for domestic flyers. You will earn 2 times miles on Delta purchases, and even better, you get a free first checked bag and priority boarding, saving you time and money. There's a special welcome offer for new users. You can earn 80,000 bonus miles after you use your new card to make $2,000 in purchases within the first 6 months. There's a $200 Delta flight credits, which is after you spend $10,000 in purchases on your card in a calendar year, you receive a $200 Delta flight credit to use toward your future travel. How about the annual fee for this card? There's a $0 introductory annual fee for the first year, then subsequently it's $150. Even if you fly Delta just twice a year, this card can pay for itself with bag savings alone. This card is best for Delta flyers who want travel perks without the premium card. Number 4. Capital One Venture, the best for flexible travel. The Capital One Venture earns 2 times miles on every purchase, with no bonus categories to track. You can also earn unlimited 5 times miles on hotels, vacation rentals, and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel. There is currently a limited time offer of $250 to use on Capital One travel in your first card order year. Plus, you can earn 75,000 bonus miles once you spend $4,000 on purchases within the first 3 months from your account opening. That's equal to $1,000 in travel. What makes this card great? You can use miles to erase travel purchases or transfer them to over 15 travel partners. There are no foreign transaction fees and no blackout dates. Currently, the card is priced at $95 per year. The card is best for travelers who want flexible redemptions without overthinking it. Number 5. The Amex Platinum, which is best for premium travel experiences. If you want the full luxury travel experience, the American Express Platinum card is the king of premium travel cards. It's a luxury card for serious travelers, loaded with elite perks, lounge access, and statement credits. As a welcome offer, you will earn 150,000 membership reward points after you spend $8,000 on purchases on your new card in your first 6 months of card membership. What are the benefits? $200 hotel credits. You get up to $200 back in statement credits each year on select prepaid hotel bookings through Amex using the Platinum card. 5 times points on flights and hotels through Amex Travels. Lounge access to Centurion, Priority Pass, and Delta Sky Clubs. $200 airline fee credits. And $155 Walmart Plus credits. There are lots more of other credits and premium benefits on the website. How about the pricing? Yes, the fee for this card is steep. That's why it's premium. It is $695 per year, but frequent travelers would easily get their money's worth. This card is best for high-end travelers who want lounge access, elite perks, and full VIP treatments. So which of these cards is actually the best travel card in 2025? Do you want value and flexibility? Go with Chase Sapphire Preferred. Are you loyal to Marriott? Grab the Bonvoy Boundless Marriott card. Do you fly Delta often? The Delta SkyMiles Gold Amex is clutch. Do you need flexibility and simplicity? Capital One Venture is your jam. And are you chasing luxury? Amex Platinum is the top tier pick. And that's a wrap on the best credit cards for travel in 2025. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and share if you found it helpful, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.